Welcome to the channel. Today's topic of discussion is quantum magnetism. In normal cases, actually you have some idea about magnetism. What is magnetism? How magnetic fields arise. You know the reason behind this, how magnetic fields arise. This is due to the moving charges, like electrons. Electrons are negatively charged particles. And when electrons move, means when these charged particles move, magnetic fields arise. But here we are talking about quantum magnetism. Okay, here the reason is somewhat different. These are not due to the movement of charged particles. Here the quantum magnetism, these are due to the quantum spins. Quantum spins are what? These are nothing but intrinsic properties of fundamental particles like electrons. Yes, these are intrinsic properties. I am talking about right now quantum spins. Okay, and due to these quantum spins, the effect quantum magnetism arises. Means quantum magnetism emerges from this fact. Okay. In normal cases, what happens actually means if you talk about any quantum system where magnetic particles are there. Yes, of course, magnetic particles must be there. And what is actually quantum magnetism? This is nothing but the physics about the magnetism of those quantum spins. This is known as quantum magnetism. Okay, so in normal cases, you won't get any defined pattern or specific pattern of the quantum spins. They are most irregular. Patterns are totally unpredictable. Means patterns of the spins, quantum spins, those are totally unpredictable. But when the temperature decreases of the quantum system where magnetic materials are present, when temperature decreases, or when external conditions change, in that case what is observed is that we get actually specific patterns. Means we get magnetic order. They rearrange, means quantum spins rearrange themselves in a way to display specific patterns which are known as magnetic orders. So magnetic orders are formed. And that way we get that property quantum magnetism. Actually at the quantum level, in quantum mechanics there are two principles. Most popular principles are superposition and entanglement, quantum entanglement. So these quantum spins, they actually exist in multiple states simultaneously, due to the principle of superposition. Yes, quantum spins, they can exist in multiple states simultaneously due to this principle of quantum mechanics, which is known as a superposition. Then the particles, means I am talking about those small fundamental particles in the quantum system where magnetic particles are there. Those particles remain interconnected through the principle quantum entanglement. That means whenever there is a change in the state of any one particle, immediately, means instantaneously, you will observe a change in the state of the other particle, because they are connected by the principle of quantum entanglement. And this way we get specific patterns in the quantum magnetic system. So the principle of superposition and the quantum entanglement, these are the main reasons behind that property quantum magnetism. Though researchers are still making their efforts to know each and everything about this, because still there are various unknowns still. Still mysteries exist in this subject, in this field of study. quantum magnetism. As research progresses, many new phenomena are being unfolded. Means many phenomena are being unfolded this way by making extensive research in this field. And various applications, if you talk about applications of this quantum magnetism, yes, there are various applications such as in the field of quantum computing. You would find applications of quantum magnetism. Okay, again in case of superconductivity, you will get the same thing, means you will get application of this. Again to study special phases of matter known as exotic states, exotic phases of matter, such as spin liquids, quantum spin liquids are there. To study those things, this is required, the knowledge or understanding of quantum magnetism is required. Again in the field of medical sciences, such as the technology known as MRI, magnetic resonance imaging technique. In that case also there is an application of quantum magnetism. Actually, in case of modern material science, you would find so many applications of this quantum magnetism. Okay, so what we can see that initially in any quantum system where magnetic materials are present, means quantum magnetic system. Okay, quantum systems where magnetic materials are present, that means that is known as a quantum magnetic system. Initially, the particles remain in disordered state or chaotic, means chaos remains present. But when the external conditions change, especially if the temperature is lowered of the quantum magnetic system, in that case you would get specific patterns of the particles, means actually quantum spins, specific patterns, and due to the presence of those specific patterns, different phenomena are observed, and the main reason quantum magnetism is just because of that fact. Anyway, so that means this is just not an academic pursuit. What happens in that field, there are really many applications. That means this quantum magnetism, this can be considered as a testament. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, quantum magnetism and chaos to order. Order means when you are getting specific patterns, that is known as ordered state. Okay, and when there is chaos, that is known as a disordered state. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. Okay, so this is the end of this video, and if you have any queries, please write me in the comments below related to this topic. I must try to answer to all your questions, all your queries. Anyway, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.